Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Go Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Go Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in gomortgage.com and make a search. The official page of Go Mortgage account will appear on the screen. Click on an account option at the top right corner of the page. From the drop down, click on account login and tap on any one of the options displayed on the screen. Here I'm gonna go with single or one-time payment. On the next page, enter your loan number and 4-digit social security number, then tap on pay now. All you need to do is find your mortgage type and enter the credentials associated with your account, and that's how you will be able to log into your Go Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.